Hey everyone, with the goal of providing premium riding quality without the premium price tag, the Ride1Up TrailRush is a daring new addition to the electric mountain bike market. It bridges the frequently large gap between performance and price, but it doesn't claim to be able to compete with companies like Trek or Specialized. The TrailRush is an engaging and well-rounded experience for riders who wish to take trail riding seriously without going over budget. The Brose TF Sprinter mid-drive motor, a European-made component renowned for its powerful hill climbing capabilities and whisper-quiet operation, powers the bike. Although it is technically labeled as 250 watt to meet European rules, this Class 3 e-bike is actually far more powerful, with the ability to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. A 36-volt, 14 ampere-hours battery with Samsung cells powers the system. Although it's not a large battery by today's standards, range isn't significantly reduced because it doesn't have a throttle, which is characteristic of European motor systems. Although most riders using moderate pedal help would get closer to 30 to 35 miles per charge, light pedal assist can get riders up to 50 miles. Where the TrailRush begins to differentiate itself from its direct-to-consumer rivals is in the riding experience. The torque-sensing Brose motor and the 10-speed Shimano Dior gearbox work in perfect harmony to provide seamless and simple shifting. The startling lag and disconnect that characterize lower-end e-MTBs are absent. Additionally, the motor's almost silent functioning allows the trail's natural sounds to be heard, making the bike sound more like a conventional mountain bike than a buzzing e-bike. Orion brakes are hydraulic brakes with 4 pistons. These can lock up the wheels with little effort and are strong and self-assured. Rarely found at this price range, they offer the modulation and control required for tricky terrain and steep descents. Well-considered features like a dropper seat post and the RockShox Judy Silver air fork further improve ride comfort and trail versatility. This is revolutionary for climbing and descending without getting off the bike. The TrailRush is equipped with Maxxis Minion 29 by 2.6-inch tires, which are a good option for trail riding because they provide excellent stability and traction. The larger wheel size may feel a little tall to shorter riders, but the dropper post makes it easier to mount or dismount and stop. Ride1Up has done a respectable job of making the TrailRush suitable for riders of various heights by offering 2 frame sizes. There are clever but subtle details all over, such as concealed mounting bosses for securing a rear rack, and the build quality is good. Because of this, the TrailRush may be used as a commuter during the week and can be converted into a trail ripper on the weekends. Nevertheless, nothing is flawless. For starters, the saddle is far from ideal. It's painful enough to make the ride's low point unforgettable. Most riders will probably want to switch it out right away for longer excursions or harder terrain. All things considered, the TrailRush does not strive to be the greatest mountain bike available. Rather, it strives to be the best value, and it does it with remarkable success. A well-rounded e-MTB with premium components in strategic locations, such as the Brose motor, dropper post, and Shimano transmission, is available for about $2,095. When compared side by side, it won't be able to match a $5,000 Specialized or Santa Cruz, but it comes shockingly close for less than half the price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.